Hey guys, Shampoo Tyler from Sullivan Beauty, and I have the pleasure of interviewing Sean Carlson, Global Ambassador from Surface Hair. We're offering your Mastering the Mindset class. What is that about? Personal development? Please give us the top line. What is it?
Mastering mindset, Tyler. What if we spent as much time on our thought management as we do our time management, our tasks, our organization, our lists, all of the things that wrap our brains up in this industry? The mindset actually means an established set of attitudes that are held by someone. What are the established set of attitudes I currently have towards my business in general? And then taking a look at opportunities within where we serve our guests in the salon. And because we're in the salon every day, Tyler, and we get immersed in the operations of it, sometimes it's hard to see from that outside perspective where opportunity really lies. And so when you ask, who is this class really for? In my opinion, it's for anybody in our industry who is wanting a fresh perspective on how we look at our business and how we prepare to serve and succeed at the highest of levels.
You are living in this day to day. And is that where the topics and the content comes from?
It's a huge combination of what's happening in the trenches within our own business at Meraki Salon up in Rockford, Michigan, 2 locations, 27 stylists, 45 employees, and we're only 5 years old. So Tyler, how did we go from 6 employees to 45 in less than 5 years? What are the specific needs in the salon right now? What are our guests telling us they need? It becomes very interactive because we get to share unique challenges and circumstances, but then really at the same time, look at it from that fresh set of attitudes and that mindset. Okay, how do we now maximize this opportunity for everyone involved? And I'd love for us, anybody in our beautiful industry who takes the time to join us, to be able to walk away with opportunities to serve immediately that will affect their business and the service of their guests.
This is awesome. Looking forward to having you, my friend. This is a 2-hour guided interactive workshop. What does that mean? The attendees are participating. We can host up to 50 people for this class. Monday, August 22nd, the Sullivan Beauty Learning Center, Hooksett, New Hampshire. Sean Carlson, Global Ambassador, Surface Hair. We're so excited to have you up here, man. Thank you for bringing us this education. And to anybody who's interested, you can find the information below. The link is in our bio. Sean, we look forward to having you here in New England, man. Thank you so much for your help.